So for the unit project, my group was paired with a teacher who taught kindergarten in Baltimore. And my specific unit focused on neighbors and how to be a neighbor. I really wanted the students to learn how to be active members in their society and how to be a neighbor to the people in their neighborhoods and the people in their communities. So each group was given a social studies standard that we had to incorporate into our three lesson plans: our English language arts lesson plan, our science lesson plan, and our math lesson plan. My group's social studies standard was participates in activities that provide for the study and understanding of people, places, and environments. So my English language arts lesson plan really focused in on the understanding of people aspect of that standard. And I created a lesson about kind and unkind acts and how those kind acts can truly help you be a better person, a better neighbor, and a better member of your community by knowing that helping people and volunteering can truly help you be more active within your community. For the science lesson plan, the teacher that we were working with requested that we did a weather lesson, since weather is a huge concept for the kindergartners to learn during this year. So I did a lesson on studying the different types of weather from different places around the world, which really connected to the standard by just the studying of places and environments and the understanding of places and environments and how they have different weather than we do depending on where you are in the world. For my last lesson plan, the math lesson plan, I really focused on shapes, specifically the shapes that we see in our neighborhoods, such as stop signs and speed limit signs. So this connected to the social studies standard just by learning how our environments and our places, which are our neighborhoods, have these signs to keep us safe and to keep us abiding by the law, which is a great way to learn how to be a neighbor and an active member in their community.